What's up, everyone? I want to take a minute of your time to walk you through a massive trade we caught on NQ today. Well, I say massive. It was a 100-point trade. But anyways, let's just get right into it, okay? I don't want to waste much of your time. This was opening 5-minute candle. At the beginning of the day, I wanted to push down the VWAP, which was around 24,220 to start the day for a bounce for longs. We didn't get it. We had to push up off the open. Then we immediately sold it back off, kind of chopped around. I didn't see a trade I was willing to take until this candle here formed. If you notice, we had a nice increase in selling volume, exactly what you want to see when you're looking for a possible short entry. So we had this candle form. We couldn't just take shorts here when it closed, right? Way too much risk to put your stop way up here and enter shorts here, for a day trade at least. So what we did, we waited on the 50% retracement of this candle to get our short entry. We ended up getting into the short around 370, I believe it was, right at 370. I put my stop loss right here to start, but eventually after we got into trade, kind of chopped around, I moved it down to right above that pre-market high. I told everyone once we got into the shorts, I wanted to see this Asia high area, 24,330s to 24,320s for our first trim. Pushed down, we got a nice trim off. We moved our stop to entry where we entered the trade around that 370. Our next price target, we did take another trim during all this, but I want to talk about our final price target. For me, it was this pre-market low. I knew there's a possibility we bounced there, but also because there was so much risk where we entered, I lowered my position size. So by the time we pushed down, hit this pre-market low, I was out of runners to leave in the trade, which you can see it worked out. We're kind of just chopping around here, right? I'm trying to think if I left anything out here. If I did, just, ask me questions in the comments, reach out to me wherever. Join my live in the morning. If you have a question about this setup, do my best to answer it there. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.